Yeah, man. See your water, check. What? See your water. Yeah, man. Upon the way I get to Reggae Falls, you know? Another man, you know? Yeah, man. Some of them. Rasta, though. Yeah, man. Just pull up into the Reggae Falls, you know? Yeah. Just pull up into the Reggae Falls. Just pull up. Park up, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah. I head up. Yeah, man, I'm there, I head up to the falls. You see it, rain all the fall. Yeah, man. Rain all the fall. I couldn't see what I go on, you see it. Signal not strong, come the one go live, you know. Signal weak.
Whenever walking on the water, man.
Yeah, man, the signal weak. The dog them roll out, you know? Yeah, man, I'm a big part this I got you. From the cover already. Yeah, fishing now, no?
Alex, yeah, make the girls them know, say, yo, rich lifestyle.
So I'll go on. Yeah. Pull up on the block. With the clock. That's the Great Reggae Falls. You're looking at it. See? That's the Great Reggae Falls. It's going to slide in a bit. What's up with that? TikTok. I don't want a vacation. Chill out. Chilling with the niggas, you know? The man I jump off, man, I ask him what I'm doing. Him jump now, see him not dead before I reach him. Yeah? Yeah, come here. Yeah.
Oh, God! Fool! Stop your mother! One for me now. Stop your mother. Right now.
This one is slippery now. So I go on, yeah. It's too fast and now. Blow still. So man up on the top of that, I'm going to get us. Head off. Yeah man, see your water and chop. So I go on. See the free. See your water.